It's a program for screen capturing action from Mirillis, and it's always displaying this small little window which is showing the frame rate, but it's also blocking the view. For example, if I want to close a program, then that red X is exactly in the way. So how to make it at least less visible, transparent? Well, here in Mirillis Action, come here to the last icon, to the settings wheel, and go to the HUD, head up display or something like that. And it has an opacity. Simply bring it down. And notice now it's more transparent, now it's less transparent. This resets it to 92. So bring down the opacity, and now the button, that red, is visible under. And the frame rate is also visible here, 27 frames per second, 3 frames per second. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.